Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome, the Prevent model, a revolutionary leap into the future of mobile living and adventure-ready design. Toyota has taken its renowned approach to engineering, comfort, and reliability, and crafted a motorhome that's not only built to explore but also to live in, with premium features and intelligent design that push boundaries in the RV world. From the outside, the 2026 Prevent immediately grabs attention with its bold stance, aerodynamic shape, and signature Toyota styling. The front grille is aggressive yet clean, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights and a sculpted bumper. Built on a reinforced chassis, the Prevent model boasts off-road capabilities with all-terrain tires, enhanced suspension, and an intelligent four-wheel drive system for a smoother ride no matter where your journey takes you. On the roof, integrated solar panels feed into the onboard power system, supporting off-grid functionality, while a powered awning with LED edge lighting provides a shaded relaxation space for those long sunset stops. Entering the motorhome, the interior layout reflects a perfect mix of functionality and luxury. You're greeted by an open, airy living space finished with soft-touch materials, genuine wood accents, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The front lounge area includes a convertible sofa bed, a retractable 50-inch 4K smart TV, and a swivel driver and passenger seat setup that transforms into additional lounge seating when parked. Toyota has also incorporated ambient lighting and climate zone controls to personalize your living environment at any time of day. The kitchen in the Prevent model is compact but fully equipped, designed to meet the needs of serious travelers. It features a dual-burner induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink with a pull-down sprayer, a full-size 12V smart refrigerator, and a convection microwave oven. There's generous counter space with a fold-out extension, modular drawer systems, and overhead cabinets with soft close hinges for secure storage while on the move. Opposite the kitchen is a dining nook with cushioned bench seating and a stowaway table, which also converts into an extra sleeping space for guests or kids. Towards the rear, the private bedroom area includes a queen-size memory foam mattress with under-bed storage, dual reading lights, wireless charging pads, and full blackout shades for uninterrupted rest. The walls are insulated for both sound and temperature control, enhancing comfort in all weather conditions. Adjacent to the bedroom is a modern wet bath setup with a water-saving rain shower head, eco-flush toilet, a mirrored vanity, and heated towel rails, rare in this size category, but a welcome addition for extended living. Powering the Prevent is Toyota's next-generation hybrid V6 powertrain, paired with dual electric motors and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack. This setup allows for efficient fuel usage, regenerative braking, and the ability to run essential systems even when stationary, thanks to the integrated inverter. The Prevent also comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, collision prevention, and a full surround view camera system for effortless maneuvering. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome Prevent model brings the brand's legendary quality and innovation into the world of luxury adventure travel. Whether you're heading deep into the wild or cruising coast to coast, it's designed to make every mile feel like home. That's it for today's full tour. Thanks for riding with us at Auto Speed's Vibes, and we'll catch you in the next one.